All right, look, so if you are holding render as an RNDR, you need to migrate this ASAP to render as an RENDER. But what does this all mean? What's going on? It's very simple. Render is migrating from the Ethereum chain onto the Solana chain. This means you have to actually convert your render into the Solana chain render so you can have render basically. Otherwise, you're going to be holding a worthless token. So it's best to do this ASAP. Now, I know a lot of you are confused on how to do this, so I found the simplest way to do it. I'm going to walk you through on this video so you can do it safely, simply, and efficiently. And to do this, we're going to be using two wallets. We're going to be using MetaMask, so the industry standard, and we're going to be using Phantom Wallet. And we're going to get your render tokens from MetaMask into Phantom seamlessly, very fast. It's very simple, so don't worry. And while there are many ways to do this, you can actually do this from your hard wallet within MetaMask and so on. We're going to actually transfer, or I suggest you actually transfer your tokens from your hard wallet or whatever wallet you have onto MetaMask because it's the easiest way. By the way, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet or a Phantom wallet, it's very easy to set up. You just go to Chrome Web Store, you look for MetaMask, and here is your MetaMask wallet. You just follow instructions, and you can do the same for your Phantom wallet. Very easy to do. Just download the MetaMask browser, copy your Ethereum address from the top, send your tokens over there, and then just add render to MetaMask so you can see it. Let me show you how that looks. So if you have a MetaMask, you should have it up over here. As you can see, I'm just using an account here. If I scroll down, you'll actually see render token over here. You just copy this address here and you send your render to this address. Now, if you don't see your render token, what you can do is actually come here to CoinMarketCap, look for render, and right here where it says Ethereum, there's a little Fox button. Just click that. Click Use MetaMask if this pops up. And then as you can see, it will show up here. You just add token. I already added it, I didn't need to do it, but I'm doing it anyway for the purpose of the video, and that's it. The second wallet you're gonna need is your Phantom wallet, which is this one right here. So we'll be using this account right here for this transfer. And what you wanna do is go to Render Network Foundation. I'll actually leave this linked down below, and you click this top right thingamajiggy here, and just go to Upgrade Render. Now you'll be taken to this page over here, and all you need to do is connect your Ethereum wallet, which will be your MetaMask wallet in this case. Assign whatever account you want here, and confirm. Then you want to connect your Solana wallet. We're using Phantom. Connect, and there you go. Failed fetching transfers, I wouldn't worry about it. Scroll down over here. Now it seems we have a little bit of an issue over here. It's not showing my Ethereum or render tokens. Let's refresh. Let's connect this again. And now it shows up. So if it doesn't show up the first time, just do it like this. So we have 400 Ethereum renders. Remember, RNDR is your Ethereum chain render, and render as an RENDER is your Sol-based render. So if you're confused what you have, that's how you can tell. And you just click transfer here. You approve this, next, and approve the fees as well. You wait as the transaction is being submitted. It says here it's another 30 seconds, but with some magic in editing, this was now ready. Your transaction is now complete. Let's close this extension. And now you want to confirm again one more time here. And that should be sending your render to your Solana wallet, your Phantom wallet, and burning your Ethereum renders so they're no longer in existence. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Yeah. If it takes a little bit longer, you'll get an apology from MetaMask. Maybe they send you flowers or something. And there you go. You close your extension over here, And as you can see, you've successfully burned 400 render through the upgrade bridge. Your Solana render will be automatically delivered once the Ethereum burn transaction is finalized in about 15 minutes or 100 blocks. So all you have to do is wait. If you feel like sitting here waiting, that's fine with me. But over here, it says pending. It should be completed pretty soon. So you just wait for this to happen so you can confirm that your render has come to your wallet, and there may be a chance that it doesn't show up. So let me show you what happens once it does show up. If it doesn't show up, what to do, I mean. And meanwhile, while we wait, maybe you can like this video if you got any value from it. Maybe check out my other videos on the channel while you wait and see if I'm someone that you would like to subscribe to on YouTube for your crypto and cryptopreneurship information, if you will. Okay, now if this is pending after about 15 minutes, if it's still pending after 15, 20 minutes, don't worry. The first thing you want to do is check your Phantom wallet up here. And if we open our Phantom wallet, we will see what? We will see the 400 render token has come into our wallet here. And that's how you migrate your render tokens from the Ethereum chain to the Solana chain. Now, if you are new in crypto, or even if you've been in crypto for a while, make sure you watch this video right here. These are the 5 worst mistakes people can tell you, and I guarantee you're doing at least 2 of these, whether you are new in crypto or been in crypto for a while. So make sure you check out this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.